Good morning to all. Today we are going to see how to create your account in TCSiON remote internship program. So first, if you want to create an account, open your browser. So in this case, I'm opening my browser. So as soon as you open your browser, you have to go to a website, learning.tcsionhub.in. I'm repeating it. You have to go to a website called as learning.tcsionhub.in. So this is how browser is going to look like once you go to the website. Okay. So this is how your website is going to look like. On the top right corner, you have login. Click on the option called as login. Select an option called as create account. So now you are creating your account. Type your full name, the name as required on your certificate. Enter your email ID. Password. Enter your password, whatever you need. Confirm the password. Phone number. Phone number is nothing but your mobile number. So in this case, I'm entering my mobile number 76762123445. Then click on an option called as validate number. So your mobile number has been verified now. So as soon as you say validate, you will get a SMS from your ION desk. Okay. So in this case, I got SMS right now as 3506. So I'm typing the number 3506 and then click on validate OTP. So right now your mobile number has been verified through OTP one-time password. So come down, enter the captcha words KW7K3ZX. Then checkbox an option terms of use. Select it. Another window will pop up. You have privacy notice, you have terms of use. So first under privacy notice, checkbox an option. I have read, agreed, and understood the privacy notice. Then click on the terms of use. Checkbox this and then say OK. Now you have an option called as create account button. So click on the create account button. Okay. Select the state as Karnataka. Say continue. So right now your account has been created. So as soon as your account has been created, use the small pop-down menu on the top right corner. Select an option called as my account. Okay. Now your profile, edit the profile visibility and update all your profile details. Okay. So whether you want visibility, whether job visibility you want, whether your user profile details, okay. Then click on work experience details, okay. Education details, all that. Make sure everything you update everything and then save it. So right now the profile strength of mine is very, very low. Only 4% of my profile has been completed. The minute you update your profile and keep it up to date, then getting jobs will be faster and easier. And you can also apply for jobs on TCS platform, or you can apply for multiple vacancies available on TCS platform. So you have on the top dashboard, jobs, blogs. Okay. Don't worry about all this. We'll explain to you later. So in this video, we're just concentrating on how to create an account and update your profile, edit your profile and keep it ready. Okay. And then click on publish profile. So once you click on the publish profile, your profile will be visible to multiple companies associated with TCS so that you can also apply for jobs. Okay. So once you've finished it, say log out. And then again, learn how to log in, log out so that your account is active and working. Okay. So in this session, I just want you to understand how to create an account in TCSiON platform and how to update your profile, nothing more than that. In the next videos, I'll explain to you how everything other works. So how your dashboard is going to work, how you're going to activate your account, how you're going to work on your projects, everything will be explained later part. So right now, just understand that you have to create a account in TCS platform. Hope you all created and understood everything what I've told right now. Thank you. So this video will talk about only creating your account, nothing beyond it. Later on, I'll explain to you how we have to go about. Okay, thank you.